that songs cannot repay, for we can only wonder at every gift you send, at blessings without number, and mercies without end. We lift our hearts before you and wait upon your word. We honor and adore you, our great and mighty Lord. The flower of earthly splendor in time must surely die, its fragile bloom surrender to you, the Lord Most High. But hidden from all nature, the eternal seed is sown, though small in mortal stature, to heaven's garden grown. For Christ the man from heaven, from death has set us free, and we through him are given the final victory. Then hear, O gracious Savior, accept the love we bring, that we who know your favor may serve you as our King, and whether our tomorrows be filled with good or ill, we'll triumph through our sorrows and rise to bless you still, to marvel at your beauty and glory in your ways, and make a joyful duty our sacrifice of praise. Make a joyful duty our sacrifice of praise.